You have used Finder on Mac for years, but today I will show you 10 superpowers hidden inside it. Tricks that make your Mac experience instantly smarter, cleaner, and way easier to work with. If your desktop looks something like this, folders, files spread all over the display. Make a right click anywhere on the display and click on this option, Use Stacks, and boom, your messy display looks now cleaner and more organized. You can also group them differently. Make a right click, hover the mouse on Group Stacks By. Choose anything else you wish to. You want to choose date added, you can click on it. You wish to group these stacks by tags, you can click on this. It took us only a couple of seconds to organize the messed up display. When you make a right click on a folder or a file, pretty much at the bottom you will see these colors. These tags turn Finder into a powerful organizer, and a smart folder on your Mac make it automatic. So let me show you how you can really use the tags and the smart folders combination in order to organize everything automatically. Let's tag a few files and folders here. I'm choosing PDF and a few PDFs, let's say 4 of them, and I am tagging them red. Now create a smart folder. Click on File at the left side top corner, get to Smart Folder. In this window at the right side top corner, click on plus button. And here you can filter the options. So let's choose kind. And here, let's choose a PDF. Now click on plus again. Choose here others. Scroll it down and look for tags. Contains red. And save. You can rename the folder where you want to save it. You can put it any way you want. Let's put it to desktop. Also, I want to put it to sidebar. Save. Now this folder updates automatically. Each time you're going to put a red tag on any PDF that will appear in this specific folder. This is one of the most underrated Finder feature, quick actions. You have a photo, you have a video. Make a right click and look for quick actions. Here we have the options to rotate the file to left, mark up the file, create a PDF, convert image, or remove the background. If you wish to create a PDF with this photo, this image, and you get your PDF file right there. Now you want to mark up a PDF, make a right click, get to quick actions, click on markup. And you have this markup menu at the very top. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Wow. Okay, this is the markup menu. From here, you choose whatever you want. You go ahead and mark up your file. Even you can add the signature right from here. Personally, I find background removal tool the most powerful. All you have to do is just choose this option and that removes the background instantly. Here, this is the image I removed the background from, and here, this is the original image. Until I knew this trick, I was kind of little lost. Each time I had to access multiple directories, I was always hitting the different folders and pulling them separately. All you have to do is press together Command T, 2 buttons on the keyboard, and voila, you have a dedicated tab open at the very top. Not only that, you also have this tiny plus symbol here. If you wish to add more tabs here, you can do that. And now in each tab, you can access the different directory. To move files between these directories, all you have to do is make the selection, then drag them over the directory, just like that. And they moved in this folder right here. Moreover, you can also detach all these tabs separately. Let's say downloads here, movies here, apps here. And once you're done, all you have to do is click on Window in the menu bar and click on this option, Merge All Windows. They will merge all together in one Finder screen, just like that. If you want to activate deep search on your Mac like a pro, open Finder window, click on any one of your directories. Now press 2 buttons on the keyboard, Command F. Leave this option the way it is, this Mac, unless you wish to customize this search to a specific directory. Let's suppose I'm looking for some images within a specific time range. In the first filter, we choose kind. Second here, let's choose image. And now from here, if you have a specific type of image you want to filter, you can choose. Now let's add another filter by hitting this plus symbol here. Over here, we can choose, let's say, last modified within last month. And that's it. So this is the filter we enabled, and anything, any image which is the PNG file on this entire Mac has been filtered right now in this folder. So we can see them all. If you wish to copy them, you can copy them. If you wish to save them, you can save them right from here, and there would be a dedicated directory created. You can put it again any way you want on the desktop, documents, pictures, and also put it to sidebar. These two switches make navigation on your computer, files or folders, so much easier. Open Finder, click on View in the menu bar, navigate to Show Path bar. Also, once again, go to View and click on Show Status bar. Now, if you notice, there is a dedicated path that is visible at the bottom of each directory. You will open anything. Let's get to movies. Here's the dedicated path we see, and also we have got number of items in this specific directory with amount of space available. Not only that, from path bar you can jump into any one of these directories directly. Let's say we see this users. I click on it, I jump into the users right from there. It becomes so easier to jump into various directories right from the path bar. This is perfect for developers and power users. You wish to copy the path of any file or any folder specifically, you can press the Option key on the keyboard, and at the same time you can press Command C to copy the path, and then you can paste it any way you want. Just like that. Did you know you can rename the whole batch of files and folders on Mac all at once? You can add text, you can replace text, or you can even change the format. Let's select some of these files. Make a right click and get to rename. The next tiny window is going to allow you to change whatever you want. So we have three options at the very top: replace text, add text, format. Let's say replace text. We have got here expert tag. I wish to replace it with XPT and click on rename. Done. Spacebar on your Mac's keyboard is one of the most powerful keys. It enables the quick preview just within seconds. You select a file or folder, all you do is just tap this spacebar. And now, if you wish to select a different file in the same directory, you can click on it just like that, and it's going to bring up the preview right away. Next time you have an image you wish to mark up or rotate or maybe remove the background, just select the image, press the spacebar, and there you go. You have the menu at the very top. This is the most stable and the clean way to share files across your devices through AirDrop. Open Finder, and on left, look for AirDrop. There you go. Command T to open a new tab. Let's detach the tab. Now let's get to any directory you wish to. Now from here, let's choose multiple files. I'm choosing maybe 5-6 files, and drag them and drop them on any one of these devices. Tell me in the comments which of these Mac Finder tricks you have been using every day, and which one is new to your list. If you're done learning these 10 tricks, now go ahead and learn 20 Mac keyboard shortcuts that everyone should know. If you're still in the video, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions.